Display size. Apple iPhone 15 is 6.1 inches. Google Pixel 8 is 6.2 inches. Display resolution. Apple iPhone 15 is 1179 into 2556 pixels, with 461 ppi density. Google Pixel 8 is 1080 into 2400 pixels, with 428 ppi density. Display type. Apple iPhone 15 is Super Retina XDR OLED. Google Pixel 8 is OLED. Display protector. Apple iPhone 15 is Ceramic Shield Glass. Google Pixel 8 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Operating system. Apple iPhone 15 is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Google Pixel 8 is Android 14. Chipset. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple A16 Bionic. Google Pixel 8 is Google Tensor G3. Processor. Apple iPhone 15 is Hexacore processor. Google Pixel 8 is Nonacore processor. GPU. Apple iPhone 15 is Apple GPU. Google Pixel 8 is Immortalis G715S MC10. RAM. Apple iPhone 15 is 6 GB. Google Pixel 8 is 8 GB. ROM. Apple iPhone 15 is 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. Google Pixel 8 is 128 GB and 256 GB. Front camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 12MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Google Pixel 8 is 10.5MP ultra-wide-angle camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Apple iPhone 15 is 48MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Google Pixel 8 is 50MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Apple iPhone 15 is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Google Pixel 8 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Apple iPhone 15 is 3,349 mAh battery, with 15W fast charging. Google Pixel 8 is 4,575 mAh battery, with 27W fast charging. Spec winner.